Big news in the pharmaceutical world. GSK and Pfizer have just settled a major global patent dispute over their RSV vaccines, Arexvy and Abrysvo. Let's break down what this means in just 3 minutes. Stick with me. Respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV, is a major cause of respiratory illness, especially in infants and older adults. Both GSK's Arexvy and Pfizer's Abrysvo are FDA-approved vaccines designed to combat it. But in the year 2023, GSK sued Pfizer, claiming that Abrysvo infringed on patents related to the antigen technology used in Arexvy. This sparked legal battles across the United States, United Kingdom, Belgium, the Netherlands, and even the Unified Patent Court. The dispute centered on GSK's patents for antigen technology, which they claimed Pfizer used without permission. GSK started developing their RSV vaccine 7 years before Pfizer, and they sought damages, royalties, and even a potential ban on Abrysvo in the United States. That's a big deal. Here's the good news. On April 3, 2025, GSK and Pfizer reached a global settlement. Pfizer now has a worldwide license to use certain GSK patents for Abrysvo. In return, Pfizer will pay royalties to GSK. All pending lawsuits, including the big one in Delaware Federal Court, have been dismissed with prejudice, meaning they can't be refiled. This settlement also ends parallel disputes in the United Kingdom, Belgium, the Netherlands, and at the Unified Patent Court. Why does this matter? The RSV vaccine market is competitive, with GSK's Arexvy leading United States sales, followed by Pfizer's Abrysvo and Moderna's Arexvy. This settlement clears the way for Pfizer to keep pushing Abrysvo without legal hurdles, while GSK secures royalty payments. However, a United Kingdom court ruling in November 2024 invalidated 2 of GSK's patents, which likely nudged both companies toward this deal. Let's talk legal highlights. First, dismissing the case with prejudice ensures no future lawsuits on these claims. Second, the global license agreement means Pfizer can use GSK's technology worldwide, but they'll pay for it through royalties. Finally, this settlement avoids a potential injunction that could have stopped Abrysvo's sales in the United States, keeping the vaccine available for patients. This deal is a win-win. GSK gets financial benefits, Pfizer keeps Abrysvo in the market, and patients continue to have access to life-saving RSV vaccines. Plus, both companies can now focus on expanding their vaccine's reach, like GSK's push to approve Arexvy for adults as young as 18 in Europe and Japan. That's the scoop on the GSK-Pfizer RSV vaccine settlement. What do you think about this deal? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more pharma news explained fast. See you next time.